This is the Mazda RX-7, lightweight, low, and loud. Powered by a 1.3-liter twin-rotor Wankel engine, this rotary beast revs high and screams louder than it looks. It's not about big horsepower, it's about balance. Rear-wheel drive, perfect weight distribution. A true driver's car, raw, responsive, and iconic. From mountain touge runs in Japan to the Fast and Furious spotlight, the RX-7 became a symbol of JDM culture. It's rare, it's unique, and when that rotary spins, you feel every second of it, like if you'd take the keys. Subscribe to Shift Frenzy for more rotary-powered legends.